Skywell, tapos yan ng kalsada. Nasa we're in the sixth floor. Ganda. Dito sa gabi. May fireworks mamaya. Yan, dito. Yan. Yan. Kalsada. Gabi na. Right. It's a beautiful place. Dito yan. Amazing. Courtyard. Ganda dyan sa labas, oh. Yun yung Sky Tower, tapos nandiyan yung go-kart. Dito yung yan. Dito. Dito. Ko doon. Swimming pool yan, no? Dito sa likod. Ganda. May swimming pool doon, maliligaw. Dito na ako. Dito na. Dito sa loob ng aming tinitirhan. Dito. 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 Ano daw? Painting. Yan. Hello.
Hello.
Wala pang fireworks. Maya.
Naganda ba tayo?
Wala pa naman. Ano pa naman siguro? Mga 5 minutes siguro.
Sige. Pero magdi-dinner tayo
Ay, kung nga, magdi-dinner tayo. Ano, dinner muna tayo o ano?
Mag-dinner muna tayo.
Dinner muna tayo. Yan, lumabas na tayo. Let's go dinner. Time to do dinner now. Okay. Yan.
Yung ano na lang, mo.
Saan yung swimming pool nito, Bit?
Diyan sa ilalim dito.
Silalim?
Oo. Sa gilid sa may dito.
Kasi di tayo, wala tayong next time na. Tagay muna tayo, magsaw-saw tayo doon. Mamaya, mapag-ano naman tayo, sabi na, lasing. Yan talaga, lasing. Mayakap yan.
Oo.
Yan pa naman ang pang sa
Yung itong loob.
Yan.
Ang hotel.
Yan. Maraming souvenir. Yan. Yan, dyan.
Galing naman, hindi lagyan ng fountain pala yung
May fountain. Yun, grabe ang gabi doon sa sa mga ganyan, sa London, grabe rin sa wildlife, saka sa mga, grabing kahoy doon.
Protective din talaga.
Very protective ang mga animals doon. Yan talagang good doon, good din sa mga Tara. Bit-videohin mo rin ako.
Yan, oo.
Nahihiga ako dyan, Yeah!
Yeah.
Picture na mo, di ba yung sa baba, yung pinakababa na, pag-picture yun?
Ito, click ko lang tayo siya. Okay na?
Oo. Yan.
Okay. Ay, ano nga pa siya. May picture pa.
Tapos, indingan mo na. May ka na magbabay. Okay, Dan.
Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, sige.
Ayan, dito kami sa Kentucky. KFC. Kakain kami dito. Dito naman ang namin.
Dinner.
After ng Hatters, KFC naman. Yan, dito kami. Yan. Ontario. Yan, Ontario. Yan, ang service namin. Yan. Yan. Galing. Yan. Dito, ikot-ikot ako. Last night. Yan, dito. Dito kami. Kain kami dito. Anong natin? Price. Which one? Ikaw na lang, Bet. Ayun, 2 pieces chicken. Okay na yun. Dito kami. Kakain kami dito. Dito kami sa KFC.
Dito na tayo.
Dito tayo? Doon tayo? Hintayin ko dito. Hintayin. Dito na. Syntax. Yan o.
Two orders of 2 piece chicken. Right.
So two piece combos.
Yeah, 2 piece. Dining. Nothing.
Dining.
Here.
Here. Documented yung Kentucky natin, Bet. Bukas ay sa Monday panunod-noorin ko na lang to eh.
Oo, kahit saan naman.
Mga time na to eh.
Ibang ano.
Banding natin. Full banding. It's gonna be our last banding.
Yeah, last night.
Then tomorrow, Europa. Oh, iniikot na ako ng bunso kong kapatid. Bicol.
Nasa Cavite.
Oh,
Pero original.
Cavite, Bicol.
Sa Cavite.
Ano pangalan mo, Tol?
Simon.
Simon. Si Ben.
Ah, Ben.
Pag mapasyal ka ng London,
Oo, sige.
pag magkita tayo doon.
Dilo-dilo na, maganda dito.
Ang ganda!
Magkita kami ng
Grabe!
Tapos yung Sino.
Oo. Oh, yun ito po.
Isa hours? Okay, that's it. Kahit dito na tayo. Kami. Manonood kami ng nagpa-fireworks. Magpa-pero namin. Yan, dito. Thank you, Lord.
Ayun.
Dito kami ng fireworks. Diyan. Yan yung ano. Skylon Tower. Observatory Tower. Yan, oh. Yan. Dito na kami. Pupunta naman kami. Ikot na naman kami ng Niagara Falls kasi may fireworks. Yan. Tuloy-tuloy pa naman ang fireworks. Yan. Yun, oh. Ano. Tapos na?
Yan, di pa man yung po eh. Dito tayo.
Dito kami.
Parking.
Parking kami. Kami dito.
Willing man yung po yun.
Yan, may fireworks na. Yan, may fireworks na. Sakto! Saktong-sakto, Bito.
Isakto nga man yung video.
Perfect.
Ayun.
Perfect. Fireworks no. Yan, ganda ng ilaw. Oh, yan. May fireworks dito sa Niagara Falls. Yan, abot namin yung fireworks. Saka yan, no, yung ano. Oh, di ba, Pete? Ganda ng ilaw ng ano, ng
Ng CN Tower. Ay, Skylon.
Skylon Tower. Yan. Yan, wow.
Yan, no?
Fireworks, drive. Amazing fireworks. Niagara Falls fireworks display.
Close pa nga.
Yan.
Free naman nata ngayon. May bayad naman ni Oboy, oh.
May bayad na.
Oo. Yan daw, may bayad na siya.
May bayad na nga.
Magbabayad pa ba tayo?
Ano? Patingin mo.
Tatanong natin kung ano. Magkano?
Ayan, 10 pounds oh.
Ay,
Ay,
oo, $10 na. Tanong natin. 2 hours.
Hi. Just 2 hours. How much?
It's $10.
It's $10.
$10? Ano nga lang?
Yeah, okay. Okay, we're in.
Kasi kailangan dito kasi safe na naman. Yun yung problem.
O, tingnan mo kung yung $10 nandyan dito. Yan. Ayun, ano, panood kami ng fireworks. Yan oh, fireworks. Oh, nandun na.
What? This one?
One more.
Yan, yun yung problem.
Yan oh, naku, di na nakita yung fireworks. Bumaba kaya ko, Bit?
Sige, pwede naman bumaba ka naman para mag-bend. Oh, wait.
No, that goes on your dashboard.
Yeah, that one.
That's just a receipt.
Okay.
Wala na?
Makamayo pa.
Wala. Hindi, ito na lang.
Kasi matagal-tagal tayo, kailangan may nakaparking maayos eh. Mahirap yung hindi nakaparking. Diba?
Meron pa yan?
Meron pa yan, meron pa yan.
Okay, fireworks.
Dito na tayo para hindi tayo mahirap pang mag-ano.
Ito na, para dire-diretso na.
Sige naman, yan yung maayos.
Uy, mariligo ako ng aking.
Maligo ka ng... Sige na.
Yan. Tapos muna. Yan, ito oh. Skylon Tower, galing kami dyan. Tapos dito, ikot-ikot. O yan, courtyard. It's my last night in Canada. Thank you so much, Canada. Yeah, here we are. Dito na kami.
Ito, hanggang alas 10 kami.
Bit, yan, lakad-lakad kami. Daming lawak ng mga parkingan dito. So, huge the parking space. No? Isipin mo yan, parking space na yan. Ganun kalawak. Lawak. Ano? Unlimited ang parkingan, no? Grabe.
Ayun tayo man po yun.
Yeah, okay. Ganda ng lakad. Hello. Ayan, last night ko dito.
Ito yung last night.
Yeah, it's my last night in Canada, Niagara Falls. Lakad-lakad kami.
Lakad-lakad. Nightlife yan.
Yeah, nightlife. There you are. Oh, yan oh. Jangan makyat. Yan. Thank you, Bet.
It's so amazing. Then thank you very much,
Yeah.
Manubo, sa pag-visit.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy. Yeah.
This
Again.
Banding tayo.
I will come again.
Yeah.
Sabi ka ni MacArthur, I shall return.
Kasama mo na rin.
Kasama ko na.
I really hope nandito na rin
Yeah. And definitely. God is always there. God. Glory to God.
Daming mga
Grabe ditong tao. Mga taga doon yan kay Kuya sa Korean.
pumunta dito.
Kasi doon din sa London dami. Developing country kasi kaya talagang yung kagandahan yun na nga. Pero
Kasi kulang din ang corruption kasi sa South Korea. Tsaka ang daming company nila.
daming kapana.
Tsaka
Mga developing country nga. Kaya maganda. Ang ganda ng mga ilaw dito. Incredible. Nice. Yeah, dito lakad-lakad kami. Tapos na siguro yung fireworks o sa US
Hindi
yun.
na ako magre-reklamo sa kakalakad ngayon. Manaw, walang pasok eh.
Walang pasok. Yeah.
Yung bibisitahin natin si Ori, minsan may pasok ako eh.
May pasok. Kasi ikot bit. Kasi ganyan, ikot.
Ikot.
Para ganyan, kitang-kita dito sa likod natin na ano. Yan, ikot. Yan. Dito kami, lakad-lakad kami. Yan.
Ayan, nakapag-dinner na tayo.
Na-dinner na kami. Amazing dinner. Especially that dinner, it is a amazing bonding. More than the food. The food is very important. That's our energy. But the bonding, the time,
Yeah.
yeah,
We spend time together.
yeah, that's fantastic. Wow. Here we are. Gonna walk again at night, going down to Niagara Falls.
Yeah, falls.
Yeah. Malamig sa kamay. It's freezing kasi gabi. Yan.
Malamig ba? Kaya yung ano ko dito sa ano ko
Mhm.
bakit ko eh.
Pahawak ka muna bit. Ihawak ko rin muna sa isa. Dahil
Sige,
para,
oo.
pag nakahawak to dito,
Oo.
akin na. Yan. Kasi pag nahawakan mo rin to, hindi malamig. Tuloy ganyan. Yan. Yan na. Oh, lakad-lakad. Yan. You know? Dito, yan yung ano.
Si Queen Victoria, taga sa inyo yun. Nanay ba yun yan? Queen Elizabeth?
Oo.
Queen Victoria.
Oh, si Queen Victoria.
Alam mo sa kanya pala to, Queen Victoria.
Sa kanya nga. Yan, Queen Victoria. Niagara Park Restaurant. Queen Victoria. Yan, dito.
Daming libangan pala ngayon dito man boy, kasi weekend so.
Ha?
Oo,
Ay, grabe yung ilaw, oh, ganda oh.
Ngayon.
Oh, talagang what the right.
Sakto ngayon man boy.
Incredible.
Kasi weekend Sabado pag alis mo talagang. Oh, may concert.
Grabing ganda oh.
May ano diyan
oh. Ayan oh, grabe oh, may concert oh, mayroong ano, mga performer.
Ayan oh. Talagang grabe ang tao ngayon.
Grabing tao, tingnan mo oh. Festival na festival dito. Cool.
Wow, amazing.
Incredible, wow. Tingnan nyo.
Punta mo na tayo dito na boy.
Itapon ko na kaya muna to.
Ayan man mo yun.
Yan, Niagara Falls. Yan, ganda, super. Nights.
Hindi naman na boy kasi inside sila.
Yan.
Masakyan.
Dito kami be, dito ka. Wow, ang ganda ng gabi.
Talagang nightlife.
Ito yun. Sinasabi ko.
Iyan o.
Yan. Yan.
Disco ko ba?
May diskuhan dito. Ready po.
So maybe, dami tao. Ngayon
Ano, may mga season doon, no? Very busy. Look at this, guys. It's in Niagara Falls. People's. Oh, pack of people. Wow, nice.
Ang ganda kasi ng weather man, boy.
So, yeah, the weather perfect. Absolutely awesome weather.
Hindi pa ano, hindi siya super
Can you see that?
Ganda.
Hindi, ganyan tayo, bit. Ganyan. Masama tayo dyan sa ano, ilaw. Ang ganda, oh. Ang galing naman, oh. Wow.
Daming tao.
Absolutely.
Abi, sakto.
Awesome. Sakto. Perfect talaga, bet. It's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah.
Ayun,
Oh my God.
Mamaya alas 10 alam ko may parok mismo dyan sa Niagara Falls.
Joy to the world.
Sakto ngayon man yun.
Ang galing, oh. May disco.
Disco pa. Public disco.
Public disco. Ay, sige. Lubos-lubosin natin to, eh. Last night to, eh. Amazing. Time. That's the Niagara Falls. Ano, yan, oh. Yan, Niagara Falls. Nandiyan.
US Falls.
US Falls. US Falls. Lagi kakana to talaga yung US, oh. Yan, bitro na dyan, oh. Oh my God, look.
Yeah. Hello, man.
Hello, man. Mami, Bon, kuya. Ma.
Hello. Sakto may disco.
Disco tayo. Ang great. Kana ay Amerika. Talagang matindi yung punta ko, bit. Perfect.
Perfect. Oh, sakto ngayon, man.
It is a perfect.
May festival. May
Can you see the lights there? Amazing. Amazing. Wow. There you are. Incredible. I-live mo kaya, bit, sa Facebook mo.
Palupat na ako, eh.
Kaya palupat ka na? Kahit saglit. Kasi ang ganda, oh.
No, this way. It's cool.
Ang ganda, oh.
Tuloy.
Wait, hello.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, wow. Fantastic. Oh my God. It's all beautiful. Niagara Falls. Galing. Yan. Awesome. May Niagara Falls nandun, no? Nandun yung Niagara Falls. Yes, yan. Yan yung basis. Yan, no? Ganda, oh. Super amazing lights. It's the most beautiful lights. Incredible. Yan, ikot-ikot ako kasi kita mo yung lights, talagang absolutely incredible. Oh, winter festival lights. Wow! That is a winter. I did. It's totally festival. Ah, wow! Amazing. Cool. Can you see that? I'm in a winter festival. That's it. You see that? Winter festival lights. Nice. Hi. Bye bye. Bye. Bitsa tayo. Yan. Perfect.
Welcome ng Winter Festival.
It's welcome Winter Festival. I'm here in Niagara Falls. Wow, there you are. Oh. Galing.
Galing, no?
Awesome. Look at the lights.
So amazing.
Absolutely awesome. Fantastic.
Hello!
Yeah! Biting.
Ini lahat.
Yan, look.
Hintayin
Yeah.
natin naman. Uboy kasi ilaw.
Yeah. Yan, yun.
Lakad-lakad tayo punta dito na Niagara.
Yeah, tara, lakad naman muna tayo dan. And the lights, mamaya na naman. Miss. One more. Oy. One more. Yan, dito kami, lakad naman kami. Gala kami, daming tao. Guys, daming tao.
Yan nga.
Oh. Yeah.
Sabi lagi.
Absolutely. Fantastic.
Tayo.
Yan, tatawid kami ng road.
Ano ba? Hirap kung may sakyan. Hindi mo pinakita. Ganyan
Talagang, ayan o.
Hindi mo
Grabe. Yan.
Grabe. Kasi dapat may ilaw na yan eh.
Yan, Bet. Hi. Perfect. Hello. Hi, Ama. I love you, Ma.
Nightlife. Love you all.
Bon, love you all. Kuya. Bon, Mami. I'm here in having fun. Kalimbit. It's perfect. Absolutely. Yan. Tara. Yan.
Papadaan sila eh.
Yan.
Hindi
Look
pa
at
ba may sakyan dito eh.
Yeah.
Hindi mo maintindihan.
Yeah.
Lang binayad natin ng
Amazing. Can you see that? Absolutely wonderful. Look. There you are. The Niagara Falls.
Yan, Niagara Falls ka na. Ayun yung
Dito kami sa Niagara Falls. Yan. Yan.
Yun yung ano.
Tapos
yung
with yan. Yan.
Oh, may tubig na.
May tubig na. Ang dami. May kulay pa. Then nandun yung Canada. Wow. Canada, US.
Tingnan mo naman yung kulay.
Look at the lights. Oh man. Can you see that?
Hindi nakakatakot ngayon mga boy. Dami tao.
Wow, guys, look. I'm so lucky. I made it. Good job, Bet. Yan. Canada, USA, Buffalo, USA is other side. That's it. That's amazing. Bet, ano yun, Bet?
Ano yun? Whale na yun?
Ano yan? Yan.
Yan yung Frog from Canada.
I'm from Canada. Good job, Bet. Amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah, can you believe that? Incredible. Yeah, it's Canada Falls. Look at the lights. Perfect. Look at that. Oh wow. It's the Canada. Amazing. That's Canada Niagara Falls. Then going to USA Niagara Falls. Then that's the bridge between USA and Canada, Canada and USA. Then this is the Tagarito teritoryo niya ito. It's in the territory. Yay! Now teritoryo na namin ito. Sama na ako eh. Yan. Yan. Amazing. Look at the Niagara Falls. Amazing.
Nakita mo naman yung pinagkagalingan ng tubig
Yeah.
ng boy.
Fantastic. Ang laki.
Lake na yun, pinuntan din natin.
Avenir, yeah. Puntahan natin yung lake na yun. Pagkalaki-laki. Talagang awesome. Hindi mauubos. Ayan again, the Niagara Falls. You see, yan. Turn around. That's cool. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That's it. That's perfect. So many people around. Look at this. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord, for letting me come here to visit my loved brother. I'm so proud to have very strong brother. So proud. Yeah, God. Yeah. Yeah. Canada. Amazing. And Canada Falls. Look at that. There's a lot color of the Canada Falls. Look at that. That's the falls. Amazing. That's it. That's perfect.
Sa Niagara Falls kami. Ito yung pagkagabi ang kulay ng Niagara.
Ganda oh. Cool. So colorful. Yeah, the same. That's why they're just close friend. Oh, they remove the lights. Then just like another rides. The same thing. That's the same. Yeah, US the same, sabay. Incredible. That's the US. That's the Canada. It's incredible. This is all the buildings around the Niagara Falls. Amazing, amazing. Yan. This is it. Incredible. Hi, hi everyone. Love you. That's incredible. Magnificent place. Yeah, that's why people will come. Yeah, it's magnificent. That is the Niagara Falls, USA. Wow, that's light. Then Niagara Falls, Canada. That's it. Amazing. Wow, love it so much. Yeah, love her. It's amazing. Look at that. Incredible. That's fantastic. All the lights. Amazing. Oh, wow. That's it. That's the buildings. And so many people around. Wow. Incredible. Yan. Yan nyo. Yan yung falls. Ganda. Ganda ng ano dito. Good. At least ako may bati-bati ano mo, may battery pa. It's really good. Nakuha ko lahat. Look at the alon at night. That's the night. Nice. Wow. Cool. Oh, look at that. Changing the lights. Magnificent. Magical. It's heaven. Wow. Gorgeous. Awesome. I love it. Just so excited to see this. Yeah. Ma, punta ka dito ma. I-invite ang ganda man ng pasyalan. Lakasan ng tudo. Inom ng milk. Stay strong. Di ba bet? Yeah. Ayan ma. Sobrang ganda pag nakapanood mo to.
Hopefully ma, makabisit ka pa dito ma.
Yabing Jake. At Jake. Jam.
Kasi
Kasi mapapanood nyo naman talaga to. Soon. Pagbalik namin na ano, ako makabalik. Hindi reason kayo din dito na. God always pray. Ano naman tayo sa church eh. Amazing. Turn around. Bit, ikot tayo, Bit.
Ha?
Ikot. Rito namin natin mo yan. Ikot, 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 ikot. Para hindi natin mahilo. Balik. Balik. Ikot, ikot, ikot. Tuloy, ikot na to, Bit. Kasi yung mga ilaw, kailangan natin kuha. Yan. Babalik na siya na yan. Walang tama na. Nahilo na. Hi. Love you all. It's amazing.
Nightlife namin naman yun.
Nightlife na, last nightlife. Rapples. This is a fantastic God, in God grace. God grace. Wow. Fantastic. Incredible. Look at the color of the Niagara Falls.
Tingnan mo.
Yeah. Awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Ayan, may volunteer
Traffic ito.
ka-traffic. Oh, cool.
Ay man ba kasi. Di ba yung pagpunta natin gabi?
Oo.
Walang tao. Ay, lugar pa.
Yan, ganda. Yan, tatawid na sila. Ganda? Yan. Ano sinasabi mo, Bet?
Ikot natin dito ng yun? Gabi?
Oo.
Talagang dami tao.
Wala. Oo, kasi dahil, ngayon, grabe, oo. May fireworks pa yan?
Alas, isang alam ko pero
Oo. Wow.
gusto ko na yata po.
Pero nakakita na tayo ng fireworks. Look at this Niagara Falls. Wow, at night. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that night. Yeah, incredible. Wow. Then turn around again to Niagara Falls, USA. And then the Niagara bit. Oh, ayan. Amazing. Amazing. And then wow, lights. It's blinking the lights of Niagara Falls. Cool. Wow. Incredible. Amazing. See that? Sa daming tao. So many visitors. Yan. Mga buildings. Yan. Mga hotels. Yan.
Lakad-lakad.
Relax, relax. Last night.
Sulitin na.
Sulit-sulit. Ay, banding-banding. Yan. Incredible. Wow. Yan.
Inop yung light.
Naka-off yung lights. Yan, no lights. Naka-off yung lights. Ayan, no. Uy. Kita. Kita, oh. Yan. Inop muna nila yung lights. That is, yan, yung lights. Yan, yung Niagara Falls. You see? Galing. Wow. Ganda ng mga lights. Yan ma, dito kami ni-invite ma. May na din. Tama? No.
Hindi na kayo.
Tiping, na kayo lang na kayo. Visit kayo dito. Yan. Walang ilaw. Wala munang ilaw, mamaya yan biglang iilawan.
Baka may
Yan.
fireworks na.
Yan, kami fireworks na nga, biglang suddenly fireworks. Yan. Yan, ganda. Yan na, oh. Stay muna dito sa mga lights around.
Kasi yung ilaw man na may sa taso.
Around, ha? Ayun na, may ilaw na. Aling ilaw, ayun na, may ilaw nga.
Yan yung mga ilaw.
Ayan, oo nga, ganyan, oh. Ilaw, oh, ganda. Ayan nga yung ilaw, pupunta doon tao. Ayan yung that's the light going there. Yoo. Ayan na, may ilaw na, inon na nila. Yan. That's it. Ang galing. Oh, wow.
Sigunda naman ang aming dami ito.
Dami. Tapos yun, ng USA. Yan.
Walang ilaw niya.
Oh, may pa-ilaw din doon si USA doon. Oh. Dito, oh, yan.
Mas improve talaga itong site ko.
Yeah.
Kasi
Yeah.
naman
Oo.
yung hotels tayo.
Oo.
Sa kanila, kakunti.
Oo. Yan.
City,
good din yung ano ng government ng tao. Wow. Yan. Grabe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Amazing. That's amazing. Incredible. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yan din kami umakyat to sa ano yan, Bet? Skylon Tower.
Ayun ako, doon ako nag-work dati.
Then ka? Dati. Ganito mo Tristan kami nag-work.
Ayun dati,
1, 2,
dati.
3.
Embassy
Doon.
Dati.
Doon dati. Yan. Galing. Yuhuu. Galing. Yan. Yan yung lights going to Falls. Ganda. Grabing ganda. Oh, wow. Ganda. That's amazing. Ganda naman yan. Super ganda. Yan, nagpipicture si Imbit sa tao. Tayo rin, picture tayo ka dito.
Yeah.
Galing sa Niagara Falls. Picture.
Hello everybody.
Ano? Hi.
Yun. Yun.
Galing. Ganda talaga oh. Niagara Falls. So, punta kami doon sa dulo. Buti ano pa ako.
Ha?
Okay pa tong ano ko, cellphone ko.
Buti nga ano yun.
Yan, yung light. Yan, pupunta dyan oh. Nandyan. Si Lola at Lolo dito oh. Yan. Diba, yung mga doon, puro ano ng Marriott eh. Oh. Ay, oo, grabe yan, sa London. Puro Marriott din doon sa London, Bet. Na talagang mga bigatin. Ha?
Baka doon pala sa maalam ka dito. Wala bang goodbye yan? Oh, shit. Natin dadaputin yan eh. Mag
Superman. Pati ko di mo na madampot yan, Bet. Amazing talaga. Wow.
At least hindi ka nung sobrang lamig.
Hindi nga, talagang all perfect. Yan, Niagara Falls at night. Yan. Dito tayo, Bet, Niagara Falls up. Yan. Ito. Niagara Falls at night. Niagara.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Because it's with video. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Kasi pag pinahawakan mo, may stop yung video.
No.
Yeah.
Nag-o-offer sila.
Dami na nag-o-offer dito. Ang galing. Ayan, oh. Wow. Awesome. Nice.
So picture lang kita man ng isa. Para may solo picture ka. Tapos
Yeah, okay na. Stop na natin to.
Oo. Okay na yan.
Ano muna, ganyan tayo. Dito kasi bit dyan. Para kita yung pulse.
Ikot-ikot.
Ikot-ikot. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for watching. Ayun, ipakita muna natin yung ano surrounding. Yan. 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 Tapos last, ikot na muna. Iikot ko muna to. Yan. Ikot lang talaga, totally ikot. Ikot. Para ano ng video. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay. It's na bit.
1, 2, 3.
Love you all. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. God bless. To God be the glory. Bye-bye. Hi, Bet.
Hello, everybody.
Ayan. May lights na, oh. Yan. Nice. Nice lights. Cool. Oh, ino-off nila yung lights. Changing the light. Wow, buti meron pa akong ano, space. Amazing. Yan. Great. Ayan, may lights ng ano, ganyan, no? Simple lights. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Talaga naman galing. O yan. Ang galing. Nice. Kagulo na yung kumain ng Pilipino. Ha? Yan. Grabing ganda. Amazing talaga. Da-da-da-da-da-dam. Ikot, ikot. Ikot, 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 ikot. Ikot ko na si Ibet, nahilo na Ibet.
Ayoko na.
Ayan. Hello. Hello. Ganda na mga guys, puro ikot. Hilo na. Baka mamaya nakatakbo tayo paka Amerika na sa ikot. The best. Nakakata. Nice. Oh, wow.
Ay, ano niya yung bags niya?
Yan yung bags na kitang-kita oh. Oh, wow. Absolutely wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. Ulan-ulan na. Oh, pumunta dito yung pugs oh. Wow. Look at that. The pugs, you can see that? It's from the falls. When dropping the water, the pugs comes out. Lovely.
Ano mo man, wala na lang, mababasag yung sabi mo niya.
Basta. Lang yan eh, last na naman to.
Last mo na.
Oh. Yan, lakad-lakad kami. Dito, wow, look! Wow! Wow, yan. Wala nang ilaw. Balik naman muna tayo dito kasi wala nang ilaw na oo. Ayan, balik na yan. Yan, sound effect. Tingnan nyo yan. Tingnan nyo yan. Oh. Tingnan nyo yan. Tingnan nyo yan, ganda. Wow. Fantastico. Lovely. Tingnan mo yan. Amazing talaga. Tapos tingnan mo dito, oh, dito, oh. Dito. Talagang the best. Sipin mo yan. Wow. Wow. Absolutely wonderful. It's raining. It's a blessing. Bet. It's a blessing.
Yeah.
It's raining. Yeah. Si God, ibinate mo, na-reach namin na imbit. Tingnan nyo guys, turong na-reach namin yun, no? Oh, yan turong mabit yan, oh, na-reach namin yun. Taas niyan, ng tower na yan. Skylon Tower, reach namin yan. Yan, God always. Yan, God always. Sino ba magsasabi na sa mga nagtutupak na naglalamod na isa dinguan lugar ade? Na will of God, saka sobrang pananampalataya, pagmamahal sa magulang, pagmamahal din sa kapatid. Yeah. Andito na. Kaya yung the best. God, thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much pa, Ma, for working hard, really hard for us. Thank you very much, Ma, pa, in heaven. You always watching over us. We love you. Love you so much. Ayan.
Love you pa.
Love you pa. Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy pulutan. Happy inuman. Mamaya pag uwi ng hotel. Inuman. Ayan. Ha? Yun. The best. Oh, amazing. Wow. Ayan o.
Wala na yung tao eh.
Wala na. At least nakapag ka ng layang tayo, kita naman. Tuloy-tuloy ko lang, editin. Yan. Oh. Saka nakita mo yung ano, yung dance?
That's yung
best.
pa-opening
Yan.
ng winter.
Dito muna tayo, dito. Kitahin natin tong ilaw dito ng Niagara Falls. Yan. The best. Beautiful yan. Oh, yan. Yan Niagara Falls, oh. Canada. Tapos doon naman yung US Niagara Falls, oh. Nandoon. US Niagara Falls. Amazing. Wow, gorgeous. It's night. Yan, where's the lights? Yan. Tendeng. The best. Yan, dito yung ikot-ikot ko. Dito yung territory ko. Nung nandito ko sa Canada, it's my territory. I'll been there. I'll be always there. Always the Jordies is always not enough because so many things to explore. It's so many things to explore. Yeah, I still have so many things to explore. We've been in so many places. Yeah, I'm so proud to my love Bunso Imbit. Lalaki. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Visit kayo din dito. So,
yeah, visit soon. Yeah. That's it. Ganda, oh, ganda. Oh, no, paano na yung tao. That's awesome. Yeah. Nakita ng fireworks. Yan, that's it. Dito, oh. Yan na yung Niagara Falls sa gabi, oh. Niagara Falls at night. Incredible. Wow. That's fantastic. Can you believe that? Galing. Yan, oh. Yan. Yung lights. Yan na. Yan, dito. Yan, busy. May message. Yan, galing. Yan. Wow, that's it. Maulan na. Tingnan nyo yan, o yan. Oh, tingnan nyo yung Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls there. Wow. Oh, wala nang ilaw. Yan yung bus. Yan yung bus. Yan, bus. Gold Star Express. Yan. Yan, Gold Star Express bus bed. Yan. Ganda ng nightlife. Yan. Ha? Balik na tayo? Yan. Yan, balik na kami.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Yan. Yan. Blinis mo pa rin ako. Tanggalin ko nga to para ano, mas lalong mag-bless. Yan. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All my brother wishes will come true. Nice thing. Yeah, that's blessing. That's from God. Yan. Yan. See? Incredible. Yan. Niagara Falls. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us lots of fun.
Dami talaga.
Yeah. Lots and lots of fun in church. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, dito na muna kami.
Dito na muna kami. Thank you.
Pag-shot kami ng beer.
Chat kami ng beer.
Then tomorrow, sakto
Yeah.
kami church.
Going to church tomorrow. Always church. Yan, 8 o'clock. Yan na, may ilaw na. Niagara Falls, yan nandun. Yan, dito. Galing. Yes. Yan na yung lights niya, oh, galing from there. The lights. Cool. It's so much fun. Si ate. Daming taga-ate. Para kala mo, mag-jeep lang galing Pilipinas. Ang galing taga-atin. Parang nag-jeep lang.
Nag-jeep.
From Quiapo ata yan to Cubao. Ang dami.
Dami
Yeah,
Pilipino kasi
dami.
Yeah.
Galing.
Ngayong
Yan.
last year lang sobrang nag-stop sila.
Galing talaga. Oh. Yan na, yan yung bridge na yon na may lights doon. That's the bit, that's bridge of this river from Niagara Falls. It's going to USA, New York, Buffalo, and then Canada. Cool. Incredible. This is fantastic. Fantastic. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Mami, Bon, Kuya. Bye-bye, Ma. And everyone. Bye-bye. Yeah, ganda. Amazing. Oh, wow. Yan yung bags na kitang-kita, oh. Oh, wow. Absolutely wow. Wow. Oh. Love in the water. Oh, look. Yan. Wala ng ilaw. Balik naman muna tayo dito kasi wala ng ilaw na. Oh, ayan. Sabi pig. Tingnan nyo yan. Oh. Tingnan nyo yan. Ganda. Wow. Fantastic. Ito, oh. The best. God always. Sino ba magsasabi na sa mga nagtutupak na naglalamon na sa ating lugar adi? The will of God, sa sobrang pananampalataya, pagmamahal sa magulang, pagmamahal din sa kapatid. Yan. Nandito na. Kaya yung the best. God, thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much pa, Ma, for working hard. Really hard for. Yun. The best. Amazing. Wow. Ayan, wala na. Kita naman. Tuloy-tuloy ko lang. Editin tayo dito. Kitahin natin itong ilaw dito sa Niagara Falls. Yan. The best. Edible yan. Oh, yan. Niagara Falls, oh. Canada. Tapos doon naman yung US Niagara Falls, oh. Doon. US Niagara Falls. Amazing. Wow. Gorgeous. Night. Yan ko. Ito yung territory ko nung nandito ko sa Canada. It's my territory. I'll be there. I'm always there. Always the Geodis is always not enough because so many things to explore. Yan. That's it. Ganda, oh. Ganda. Papain pa na may tao. Kita ng fireworks. Yan. That's it. Dito, oh. Niagara Falls sa gabi, oh. Niagara Falls at night. Incredible. Wow. That's fantastic. Dito. Wow, that's it. Oh, lala. Tingnan nyo yan, o yan. Oh, tingnan nyo yung Niagara Falls. Okay, wow. Niagara Falls, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us lots of fun. Namo na kami, thank you. Chat kami ng beer. Yeah. Going to church tomorrow. Always church. Yan. And yan na. Hindi lang na. Niagara Falls yan doon. Yan. Parang nag-jeep lang. From Quiapo ata yan. Wow. Ang dami.
Dami na Pilipino kasi
Dami. Yan. Galing. Yan yung bridge na yun na may lights doon. That's the bridge of this river from Niagara Falls. It's going to USA, New York, Buffalo, and then Canada. Cool. Incredible. This is fantastic. Alright, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Love you, Mami, Bon, Kuya. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye. Hi, babe.
Hello.
Ayan, may lights na, oh. Yan, nice. Cool. Oh, iloob nila yan. Changing the lights. Buti meron pa ako space. Amazing. Yan. Ayan, may lights ng ganyan, no? Simple lights. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Naman galing. O yan. Galing. Kagulo na yung magpapakadali dito. Ha? Yan. Maraming ganda. Ikot. Ikot na si Hibet, dahilo na Hibet. Baka mamaya nakatakbo tayo baka Amerika na sa likod. The best. Yan, ganda. Nice. Oh, wow. Yung parts na kitang-kita, oh. Oh, wow. Absolutely wow. Wow. Oh. Ulan na. Dito yung parks, oh wow. Look at that, the parks, you can see that? It's from the falls. And dropping the water, parks comes out. Lovely. Lang yan eh, last lang ito. Look! Wala nang ilaw. Balik naman muna tayo dito kasi wala nang ilaw na. Oh, ayan! Balik na yan. Yan, sound effect. Tingnan nyo yan. Oh. Tingnan nyo yan. Ganda. Wow. Fantastic. Lovely. Tingnan mo yan. Amazing talaga. Tingnan mo dito, oh. The best. Wow. Absolutely wonderful. It's a blessing. Bet, it's a blessing. It's really. Si God, ibig natin ito na-reach namin ibig. Tingnan nyo guys, turo-turo na-reach namin yun, oh. Yan turo-turo yan, oh. Na-reach namin yung taas yan, ng tower na yan. Skylon Tower, reach namin yan. God always. God always. Sino ba magsasabi na sa mga mga nagtutupak na naglalamog na sa ating mga lugar adi. Sa will of God, hasong ng pananampalataya, pagmamahal sa magulang, pagmamahal din sa kapatid. Kaya nandito na. Kaya yung the best. God, thank you so much pa, Ma, for working hard, really hard for us. Thank you very much, Ma, pa, in heaven. You always watching over us. We love you. Love you so much. Happy birthday, thank you. Happy birthday. Happy pulutan. Happy inuman. Mamaya pag-uwi ng hotel. Inuman. Ayan. Yun. The best. Amazing. Wow. Ayan o.
Wala na yung tao eh.
Wala na. Kita naman. Tuloy-tuloy ko lang. Hinitin. Yan. Saka nakita mo yung yung dance?
Yung
best. Yan. Dito muna tayo. Dito. Kitahin natin itong ilaw dito. Ng Niagara Falls. Yan. Yan. The best. Oh yan, yung Niagara Falls Canada, tapos doon naman yung US Niagara Falls nandun. US Niagara Falls, amazing. Wow, gorgeous. Night. Yan, where's the lights? Yan. The best. Yan, dito yung pagkikot ko. Dito yung territory ko. Nandito ko sa Canada. It's my territory, I'll be there, I'll be always there. Always your days is always not enough. There's so many things to explore. There's so many things to explore. I still have so many things to explore. We've been so many places. Yeah, I'm so proud to my love for so many. Yeah, ganda. Napalipan na yung tao. Awesome. Punta ng forwards. That's it. Dito yung Niagara Falls sa gabi Niagara Falls at night. Incredible. Wow. That's fantastic. You believe that? Galing yan yan. Lights yan na yan dito yan sa BC wow, that's it. Ulan na, tingnan nyo yan yan tingnan nyo Niagara Falls. Wow. Una ng ilaw. Yan yung bus. Yan yung bus. Yan, bus. Gold Star Express. Yan. Gold Star Express bus. Yan. Ganda ng nightlife. Ha? Balik na tayo? Yan. Balik na kami. Thank you so much. Linis mo pa rin ako tanggalin ko nga itong mas lalo ko ulit. Nice yeah, that's blessing. That's from God. See? Incredible. Bye bye, thank you so much. Lots of fun. Yeah. Lots of fun. Enjoy. Yeah. wala, Niagara Falls yan doon. Galing. Yes. Yan na yung lights niya, oh, galing from there. The lights. Cool. It's so much fun. Daming taga-ate. Mag-jeep lang galing Pilipinas ang galing. Taga-atin. Ano, nag-jeep lang? From Quiapo ata yan. So, wow. Dami. Doon. That's the bridge. That's bridge of this river from Niagara Falls. It's going to Jersey, New York, Buffalo, and then Canada. Oh, incredible. Hi, babe. Yeah, my lunch now. Oh, nice, light. Cool. Oh, ino-off nila yung light. May changing the light. Buti. Ayan, may lights ng ano, ganyan, no? Simple lights. Beautiful. Look at that. Kagulo na yung Pilipino. Sabing ganda. Ikot, ikot. Ikot. Ikot ko na si Ibet. Nahilo na Ibet. Ayoko na. Hello. Ganda na mga guys. Ikot. Hilo na. Baka mamaya nakatakbo tayo. Baka Amerika na sa likod. The best. Ganda. Nice. Oh, wow. Yan yung box na kitang-kita, oh. Oh, wow. Absolutely wow. Wow. Oh. Ulan na. Oh, punta dito yung fogs, oh, wow. Look at that. The fogs, you can see that? It's on the falls. And dropping the water, the fogs comes out. Sound effect. Tingnan nyo yan. Oh. Tingnan nyo yan. Ganda. Wow. Fantastic. Lovely. Tingnan mo dito, oh. God always. God always. Sino ba magsasabi na sa mga nagtutupak na naglalamod na isa adinguan lugar ade? The will of God, saka sobrang pananampalataya, pagmamahal sa magulang, pagmamahal din sa kapatid. Yan. Nandito na. Kaya yung the best. God, thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much pa, Ma, for working hard. Really, yun. The best. Oh, Yan, Niagara Falls. This Niagara Falls, amazing. Wow, gorgeous. Night. Ito yung territory ko kung nandito ko sa Canada. It's my territory. I'll be there. I'm always there. Always the This is always not enough because so many things to explore.